What's up, people? We're gonna hit Peace Path and then come back on Jay's Way. Here we go. We'll try to push as much as we can. And then see how long this takes. No cut the video. Just straight ripping. This trail's always fun when it's wet. When it's dry, a bit of a pain in the ball sack. Oh man, she's a choppy one. Oh! The rear tire fell into that hole. Slid into it. Alright, gotta make up time. Whoa! What the hell? Super washed out the front end right there. It's hard to push, guys. It's super dry. Everybody's like, duh, it hasn't rained. But you know. Woo! Get in second gear. And get the suspension working better. Oh man, dude. Whoa! Hi! Oh yeah, boys. We're squidding it. Whoa! Free. Oh! Jumped in the hole. I stay off the damn seat, that's my problem. I have to do a James Stewart Senior move and jump it. Take it off my bike. Then how in the hell I gotta sit down, right? You just stand, and that's how you get to stand more. That's what they did to James Stewart. Oh man! Wow, that could have been dangerous. I guess my foot hit the shifter. We said hello to neutral. I hate saying hello to neutral. I mean, usually you don't want to be rude. You always want to say hi to people, stuff like that. Thank you, but to neutral, I could care less if I see them or meet them. Or say bye or hi. You know what I mean? Oh yeah, dude, she's ripping. Oh, it's hot, dude. I can feel the sun blazing on me. Woo, come on. Oh, that was a nice turn. You know, you hit that, so I'm like, oh shit. You hit a turn and you just lay it over and it catches grip and you come out hot. That's that feeling, man. I just, you know, had that feeling right now. Whew. I'm gonna on a brace. Have a lot of front brake right now, guys, because that's what's actually slowing me down in this situation. Whoa. You know what I mean? Because the rear is just locking up. It's so dry. Like a whoop section uphill right there. Deep breath. Ooh, fire. It's like you come by a fire pit right there, dude. Whoa. Whoa. It's pretty redonkulous. Let's see if we can go up here. You know what? We can. Let's try it. Oh, you screwed me. Well, so much to see how fast we do it. Forgot about it. I think I went over it before. That was a short guy turnaround. Alright, we're back on the move. Shit, neutral. God damn it. Good thing I didn't try to jump that log. Yeah, boys! Sending it! Don't let anybody fool you. I was like 50 feet in the air. Jay's way. Third gear. Fucking neutral. Sorry for my language. Oh, we're in the flow. Somewhat. Oh, whoa, we jumped into a rut. Nose is running. The odds are against him. What's he gonna do? Cody Webb's on his ass. Oh, holy smokes. Dude, that got roached up. Oh, yeah. Oh yeah, baby. Fucking nose is running down my lip. We're just gonna run with it. Oh! Sent it on that. We pulled like a little bit of a wheelie up there. Whoa! Oh! Let's get it! Let's get it! We gripping with the legs. Doing everything right now. Stop in the name of the Lord. Not like they could have heard me, but fuck it. Whoa! Whoa! Watch this. Woo! A little air time. Up and over. Take a big breath. Whoa, shit. And we're down. There goes the nose boogers into my lip. And I am eating it right now. That's nasty. I don't know why I said that. Just trying to give you guys a full effect, you know what I mean? Watch this one. Yee-haw! Woo! Oh man, salty ass boogers. Sorry for saying that. Woo! A little rest, a little breather downhill. Oh, try to be cool and slide out right there, but I killed it. Wow, she's a ripper. Ooh. Oh, God. Danger! Oh shit, this is pretty down. This stuff got pretty messed up. Ooh! Come on, right? Woo! Sending it. Sending it. Bro, stay here last lap. No, you can't get the inside. No! Woo! Champion to save the day. I don't know what the hell I was doing, guys, but smash that like button, subscribe, share this video, make sure you like it, because that was pretty awesome. I thought, just minus that little turnaround part, whatever seconds that was. That's how long it took me to do Pete's and Jessway. Alright guys, we're gonna find some shade and recoup, and we'll get back at it. Peace. Yee.